Hi again. We will understand how to work with the relational and logical operators. The relational operators always set up the relation between two variables, and they are nothing but greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and not equal to. So if suppose I want to find this out, that if whether m is greater than n or n is less than m, so they are my variables. I suppose by now it must be clear to you. The variables are nothing but which are changing the values always, which vary the values. Okay, so which are variable in nature, which are varied in nature. So if I'm talking about say n equal to 5 and n equal to 6, this is known as assignment. Whenever you are giving some value to some variable, okay, it can be any variable, whatever you say, okay, but it should not be the integers. They should be the combination of the character and the numbers. It should start with the character. Okay, so this is assignment. So m equal to 5 and n equal to 6. So if I'm going to write it down, say print. So print m greater than n and print m greater than n. So m greater than n is false because the value of m is less than n. So obviously m is not greater than n, so the value is false. So I can give it here, for example, m less than n, true, because 5 is less than 6. Okay, if I'm writing it down here, m equal to n, false, because the value of m and n are different. They are not same. Please understand the difference between single equal to and double equal to is single equal to is used for assignment. So if I say p equal to 7, this assignment, whenever I am writing it down, m equal to n, the meaning is here I am comparing the values. This is a relational operator. Okay, so this is relational operator. Okay, in the same manner, if I want to write it down, m less than equal to n, true. Okay, now less than equal to is, you might say that whether it is equal to is 5 equal to 6? No, but either of the operator should be true. So either less than is true or equal to is true. Okay, so less than is true because m is less than n, 5 is less than 6. So either of the conditions should be true whenever we are using the relational operators. Okay, so less than equal to, there are the two conditions here. M is less than n, so it is giving true. M equal to n is not same, they are not same, so it is false, but it checked either of the condition. In the same manner, if I say m greater than n, false, because m is not greater than n, even m is not equal to n. I can give it in this manner also. For example, if I want to give it something like this, I can, and I can change here the operator and I can print them. So m equal to n, false. Now what is the meaning of this? Along with this, it will be printed. Print would contain, this would print this m equal to n also, and along with this, its output. Okay. So in this manner, the relational operators work. Now we are going to talk about the logical operators. Okay, so the logical operators are and, or, not. They are the logical operators. But when I press enter over here, it will give me an error. You saw the error. It is known as a syntax error. Syntax error means it is not understanding the syntax, the method of writing down your statement. So if suppose you want to type down something, okay, give hash at the beginning, okay, and this is nothing but the comment. The meaning of the comment is you can give anything after that. See, now it didn't give me an error. So the logical operators are and, or, not. Now if I say print m and n, m and n, it would give me 6. Okay, because it is going to take the later value. But instead of that, if I try it like something like this, x equal to true and y equal to false. Now if I print x and y, x and y, Okay, one is true, other is false, so it would be false. But if I give here print x or y, it would be true because either of the x or y is true. So either this is true or this is false. So one of them is true, so it is giving me true. But the meaning of this true and false together would always be false. So one true and one false is false. Actually, they are known as the Boolean operators. We are talking about the Boolean operators. We are going to talk about them in the later part of the tutorials also. In the same manner, if I write it down here, t equal to true, t equal to true, and y equal to false. Understand? When I gave capital true, it gave me an error because true is not allowed, capital T is allowed, capital F is allowed in the false. And u equal to true. Now if I give print, I'll just copy it from the top and I'll write it down. T and y, T and u at this moment. So here it will be T and u. Now you can understand both are true. So it is going to give me true. So here T and U are true. But if I write it down, T and Y, it will give me false. Okay. So this is something like the logical operators. We are working on the logical operators in such a way that either of the value is true and one is false, then it is false. Both the values are true, then true. In the same manner, if I try, P equal to false. Now I'll try it with respect to both false. So one is false and other is false. So y and p. So I'll write it down p, and now you can see both are false. P is false. This is false. So it is giving me false. In the same manner, if I write it down, print not p. What is p currently? False. So not p. It will give me true because p is false. Now not false is true. So it is true. In this manner, we understood how to use the logical operators. Actually, we are going to make use of these relational and logical operators in our programs in the later part of the study. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.